In boosting your personal development plan, a lot of resources are required. But before I get into that, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into a topic that I'm super passionate about: building a robust library for a personal development plan. Whether you are looking up to level up your skills, enhance your mindset, or improve your overall well-being, or having the right resources at your disposal, we're going to be talking about how to explore good resources in order for us to boost our personal development journey. If today is your first time visiting my YouTube page, welcome. This is Excellence with Adebayo, a YouTube page dedicated to help you live an excellent life and also boost your personal productivity. One of the resources I'm going to be talking about is books. First, let's talk about books. A great man called Francis Bacon once said, "Reading makes a man." Reading is one of the most powerful tools for personal growth. And some of the classics I've read and I can recommend to you, I'll recommend 3 books to you. The first one is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. This is a timeless book that helps you prepare you with the principles for success. The second book I'm going to recommend to you is Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book teaches you how small changes can lead to big results and big transformation. The third book I'm going to be recommending to you is my own book, which is Living Excellently by myself, Adebayo Ajayi. And the fourth book I'll be recommending is Mindset by Carol S. Dweck. This book helps to explore the power of having a growth mindset. And I would like you to read one of these books, and you will see how much you can boost your personal excellence journey. The second thing I'm going to recommend to you is online courses. Now we have easy and free platforms like Udemy and Coursera, where you can learn 1 or 2 things, from leadership to time management to emotional intelligence to communication skills. These courses you can take at your own pace, and it can help you to learn at your convenience. The third resources I'm going to be recommending to you is podcast and audiobook. While driving, while I'm in the restroom, or this is so easy to use, because all you need to do is to hear, open your heart, and you learn. So if you're always on the go and you prefer listening like I do sometimes, podcasts and audiobooks can be fantastic resources. And some of the personal development podcasts I can recommend to you are these. One, you can try to listen to Tony Robbins's podcast. Amazing, very short, and very easy for you to understand. And the other podcast I would like to recommend to you is the Mind Valley podcast. And sometimes when you actually listen to podcasts, you listen to these inspiring stories and tips. This helps you to grow in a seamless way. And number 4, this one is really dear to my heart. It is networking and mentorship. Abraham Lincoln once said that if I see farther than you, it's because I'm standing on the shoulders of those who have gone ahead of me. You cannot afford to underestimate the power of networking and mentorship. Connecting with like-minded individuals, or finding mentors can provide you with invaluable insight and support. Attend workshops, join groups related to your interests, and be proactive in reaching out to people who inspire you. And building these relationships can actually open doors for new opportunities. And the 5th one I'm going to be telling you is journaling and reflection. This is a fantastic resource. Taking time to reflect on your thoughts and your feelings and or your goals can help you gain clarity and actually track your progress. So consider writing down your daily achievements and challenges, and what exactly are you grateful for. Every year I actually journal on my thank you note to talk about my wins for the year and things I'm actually grateful about. This is very simple but very, very powerful way to help boost your confidence, to boost your self-awareness, and also ultimately boosting your personal growth. And the last resources I want to recommend is attend workshops and seminars. Finally, look for workshops or seminars in your area of expertise. It may be a physical workshop or it may be a virtual workshop. These events actually provide hands-on experience and help also the chance to learn from experts. Not only will you gain knowledge, but you will meet other people that are on this same journey, and then you foster that sense of community. Personal development is an ongoing journey. So incorporating these resources, from reading books to online courses to podcasts to networking to mentoring and attending workshops or webinars, can significantly help you boost your growth. Remember, it is all about taking action and being consistent. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up, share with your friends, give us your comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal development. Let's continue to grow. Thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next episode. Bye for now.